And for this video, I'm going to have a look at a tuner from Avermedia for Media Center. They've got quite a few different tuners on the market, and in the last video, last but one video I did, I looked at the Media Center USB tuner. This is really just plug in, works with Media Center, and it's a USB, a single USB tuner, and I've been using that on my PC. This is a hybrid one, but I've been using it with DVB-T. In this video, I'm not really going to look at the Media Center side of things. I'm going to look at this tuner card from Avermedia, which is a similar thing, a USB tuner. Plug your aerial into it, you can see DVB-T. But it's also an analog capture unit as well. So if you had some analog media around, it could be from a VCR or from any video device, and you want to capture that and put that onto the PC, you can use this card to do that. You could capture the output of an Xbox, you could capture out of a games console, a set-top box. You know, there's a lot of things you can do with it. But it's about capturing the output, it's not about control, so it's not like a replacement where it'll do IR blasting and those kind of things to control a set-top box. It's just about capturing them and converting them. And I was thinking something like a video, you know, you've got old videos lying around, you want to convert them before you bin the video player, this would be a good way to do it. So I'm going to unbox it, have a look what's in the box, and have a look at the software. Like I said, I'm probably not going to look at the Media Center side of things because you've seen Media Center tuning before, and if you haven't, there's previous videos I've got with that. Okay, so let's have a look what's in the box. So we've got driver CDs for Windows 7, XP, XP Media Center and Vista. Got the tuner card, or the tuner USB device I should say. So this is the device, coax input there for an aerial, and we've got an AV input there which they'll give you the cable for, and the USB there. Nice portable device really, once you use Media Center on the go. Also in the box we've got a nifty little remote control for controlling the Avermedia software. I'll have to see whether that works for Media Center. We've got the cable. This has got that little port on from the side there, and we've got S-video and composite video as well, which is what I'm going to be using. Nice little sticker, batteries for the remote, and a complete aerial solution by the looks of it. So this is a portable antenna, so we can give that a try as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is connect it up to my laptop and get the driver. Right, so let's plug the device in into the USB port. I'm just sure I put that in on there. See, it's now going to install the driver that I presume it'll last for the disc. Right, so that's installed, the driver's okay, but what we want is the extra software that comes with it, the capture software, so I'm going to stick the CD in. Right, now I can install the Avermedia TV, so that's the installation complete. So now we'll have a look at a quick look at how it works. I'm going to have a look at the AverTV software, and of course that would need setting up and scanning for the tuning, which I can do later. But what I wanted to particularly look at was the auxiliary input side of things. So I'm going to connect this up to a device to play some content back on. So for that I'm going to need the special cable. So there's the cable plugged in into the tuner, and that's got the input port, it's got S-video and the composite. And over here I've got my Zune HD with the AV dock, and I'm going to use that to the testing. So I connect that up here. So I've got video and stereo audio, and I'll set my Zune up to play some content back. So that's connected up there. So what I'm going to do is start some video playback, and Let's start a TV show. So let's see if we can capture the output now. So I'll go back to the, let me zoom in on this, let's go back to the software. So I pick the record format, so I can pick DVD, WMV, other. If I pick other, I can pick iPod, WAV file, MPEG-2, H.264, I'll pick WMV. We've got the option of time shifting on that, and the video format size I can choose. So on the laptop there you're seeing the output of the Zoom, but this could be any device, it's just that this is the one I had handy. So I can go to videos and pick a show I recorded off TV. This is off recorded via Media Center, and there it's playing. So there you go, that's playing from my Zoom, capturing that. So that's just playing mode now. So let's set that to record. Okay, so that's recording now, the output on the Zoom using the capture card, and we'll have a look at the video quality of that in a moment. So let's go and have a look at the output. So there's the file. It's 1 minute and about 10 meg, so let's just play that. And there we go. So simple way of recording video. Like I said, the video could be from any device. I was just using it through the cables. In this case I was using the Zune HD, but you could of course be using a video player, DVD player, set-top box. Of course you're not getting sort of really into the HD side of things now because of the limitations of the cable format. It's although it can record HD, it can record in H.264. It is dependent, I suppose, on the output that you can get from the device. The Zoom puts it out in a fairly low res by the looks of it when you're running through that cable and not through the HDMI. Now, of course, the other thing that you can do with this is use it as a TV tuner, a regular TV tuner in Media Center. So I'm going to give that a quick try now and plug an aero cable into it. So now I've taken out the cable and I've put in a coax cable, and I can run a program scan now. And so this is using the Avermedia software. It's like I've got to set this up first. Okay, yeah, I'm going to pick United Kingdom. So I could pick United Kingdom. It's already detected the input type on DVB-T. Okay, that. And if I can go through the program scan now. So there we go, we've got TV working. And there's basic EPG data in there. You can see it started to pull it, because we just connected it, it's only just started to pull that through. So like I said at the beginning, you could use this with Media Center, no problem. You could look at previous videos where I've used these tuners with Media Center. I used the one without the extra input on it. You just plug it in and run the Media Center setup, and it'll use that. But what is different about this is it's got this extra input here, so you can choose SVO or the composite video. And in this demonstration, I used a Zune AV dock to record content from the Zune. But that could be a DVD player, it could be an Xbox, it could be an old video player or a camcorder, or anything you want to capture the output of and then be able to play that in Media Center or another format. And you can see in the software you could choose WMV, DVD, MPEG-4, H.264, so you could choose which format you wanted in. So it does give you that option. So it's a great solution for capturing video with the price information and availability, a link for that in the show notes. So that's the Avermedia AverTV Volar video capture USB device. So it works with Windows 7, XP Media Center and Vista. Thanks for watching this video. More details in the show notes. See you on thedigital lifestyle.com.